my channel. I just received the JuJuBe. I think this is Hello Sanrio. If I'm not wrong, I will leave it here on the screen. Print, and is the Be Sporty from JuJuBe, and I absolutely love this print. Let me show you this bag in case you're not familiar with it. It has a zipper here in the front, and it fits my whole hand in here. But when you fill these ones up, you don't have much room in here, so I don't really utilize this one here in the front much. This is like your mommy pocket right here. It has a zipper and a mesh pocket. Then it has two zipper bottle pockets. I really like this that has zipper in here, and it's hard to get used to the zipper because it's kind of hard to close it and open it. But do you see what I'm saying? But I actually really like them. It has backpack straps that are removable, and then it comes with a messenger strap as well. But if you want it shorter, what I do is just use the backpack strap as a messenger strap in case I want to do that. It comes with a changing pad right here. It's a thin one, it doesn't have any foam. And then it comes with the tech pocket right here in the back, another bottle pocket right here on the side, and then it comes with this flap on top. And then when you open it, let me see if I can turn this bag around. It comes with your messenger strap, and just to show you what's inside, there is these two mesh pockets right here, and a big mesh pocket on the back that's not divided, and then a zipper right here on top. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this baby up. So here is my pacifier wipes and my wet ones on my wipe pouch mini. I'm gonna put them right here in this pocket. I have my muslin blanket. It's gonna go in the middle. I have my large set in Happy Hearts with all my diaper essentials. I have inside of this 3 size 5 diapers, my changing pad. I have Desitin, some gloves. I have some trash bags, and then a little towel because I have a boy. And I'm gonna put this one standing in the middle as well. And then I have this one that is on the Rainbow Dreams print. I have random stuff. I have a change of clothes. I have 1 diaper, 10 Honest Company wipes. I have my wet bag and my med kit right here. And all these I'm gonna just put it standing next to my changing diaper essentials thing. And then if you know me, I like this wipe pouch, have it handy. So what I'm gonna do is just put it on the mesh pocket in the back, but I have this to pull it, so I'm not gonna put it all the way down because then I won't see it. Actually, I can see it there, so I'm just gonna leave it right there to have it handy. And I have here some toys on the Donutella Sweet Shop medium set piece. I have some snacks for him. I have some theaters and a little car to play. And I'm gonna put that in one of the mesh pockets here. I guess the one on the left. Okay, it didn't work out. It doesn't wanna go inside of the mesh pocket, so I'm just gonna put it next to the blankets here. So I am actually not using any of the mesh pockets, actually just the one in the back, but I don't really need to use it. I could just put it in the middle as well. And I have here my blanket, my medium set with the toys, my random stuff like change of clothes, and then my diaper essentials right here. And the extra wipes that are the wet ones and the one to clean his toys inside of the zipper, and that's all I'm putting in here. I still have a lot of room up here in case I want to put more toys for him to play, like for a long day, but right now I'm just gonna leave it like that. Then on one of these side pockets, what I'm gonna do is put his food. So I have some theaters on this one, like some crackers. I have a purse on mango pouch. And this is my favorite flavor. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments below. I will put a spoon there. And my sushi cars, what's the name of this? A bib? A beanie, the beanie in sushi cars. I actually think the beanies are very expensive, but until you buy one, then you will understand why they're so necessary in your life. So I absolutely love them. I can't wait for the next spring to come up so I can buy a beanie for him. Hopefully it's not in pink because that will not work for me. On the other side pocket, I'm gonna put a bottle of water for me. And on the front pocket, I'm gonna put my stuff. I do not carry much. I only put my wallet here in the front. Let's just put it here on the mesh pocket. And the chapstick, I'm just gonna put it on the zipper. And then my phone is gonna be in the middle. I'm not gonna close the zipper, so I'll be able to get my chapstick out really fast. I will put my keys in the mesh pocket and then my phone right here in the middle. And I'm missing my hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put it right here as well, just to have it handy in one of these corners. And then in the back, I always like to keep one of these adenonized burp cloth that it works amazingly for everything, as a bib or burp cloth, or just to have it handy in case he spits out. I can just clean him up. And I forgot to pack Sophie, so I'm just gonna throw it up here for him. That's what he usually uses all the time while we're out. Okay, and last but not least, I need my passy pot. I usually just put 2 pacifiers right before I leave and put it right here on the side. And that's all. Let me know what you think about this bag. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!